Well, oh, sorry, I had to get my pizza. Hold on, what's happening?
Failure imminent. All personnel abandon ship.
What? What's happening?
Launch in 3, 2, 1.
Oh! What the heck? Hold on. Why is this song so good? This song has fire in the back. Hold on. Alright, we're just kidding. We gotta put out the fire.
You have suffered minor head trauma. This is considered an optimal outcome. This PDA has now rebooted in emergency mode with one directive: to keep you alive on an alien world. Please refer to the databank for detailed survival advice. Good luck.
Alien world? So, is this like, what's that movie? With alien xenomorph? They go on a different planet? I don't know. But check this out. Literally, just started playing the game and the first thing I'm doing is messing with the screenshot option. Anyways, I just remember the movie. It's Alien Covenant. Yeah, it was... came out in 2017. I don't know. It was pretty fine. So we got storage. Okay. And some food. So let me get a little bit. Well, I guess if there's nothing else in here, let's go outside.
The Aurora suffered orbital hull failure. Cause unknown. 0 human life signs detected.
No human life detected. I came here with Steve, though. Where the fuck is Steve? I'm the reason I'm here to begin with. Where is he? Pretty sure he hasn't landed yet, so... Bro, this is a beautiful planet, honestly. It looks beautiful so far. For a planet filled with water, it's pretty beautiful. There's mushrooms! We're gonna get high on some shrooms! Let's go! Steve is gonna love this. Collect all there is. Come on. And there's so many. Steve... when Steve finds this planet, when he's here, he's gonna enjoy this. Also, I'm seeing a lot of shadows. What the fuck is that? Hold on. Oh. Break limestone. What the heck? Oh, my oxygen. I need air. Alright, y'all. I forgot to record, but don't worry. I made a lot of progress. I collected a lot of shit. I collected a lot of stuff. And I'm pretty sure Steve landed. I don't know. I saw a life pod flying down, so I'm gonna find them. But first, I need to make some resources before I can do that. Okay. Man, there's a lot of creatures out here. Man, I can't wait for Steve. Once he sees this, he's gonna go crazy. Okay, I'm learning about this game as we go on. It's not that bad. I'm actually enjoying this. Hold on, what the fuck? What are you? It's got one big eye. It's like Mike Wazowski, but red. Hey, fuck you. Alright, let's keep her going. So far, nothing has been very bad. This has been a peaceful experience so far. Maybe because we're in the shore. If there's other creatures in the deep dark of the ocean, fuck that. I'm not going down there. This is my new home. I want to stay in the shore. Oh, I can make a power cell now. Interesting. So, I think there's vehicle stuff in this game, and since we can make batteries, I can make a submarine. That doesn't resolve around a controller. What? Never mind. I was just trying to say something funny, but you know what? I'm just gonna make a functional submarine that I can use. You know, it was probably a bad idea to pack so many mushrooms. Don't worry, that's all for Steve. He likes mushrooms. Especially since you can get high off these, so, you know. Alright, going to explore. Hell yeah. Oh god, this ocean gets real deep, huh? I don't like this. Also, can we talk about this? The soundtrack in this game is amazing. I've liked the songs that are playing in the background. So, oh shit, I need air. Oh god, am I gonna make it? Oh, I'm almost there. Okay. That was way too close. Alright, we need to stay a certain distance. We need to stay a little bit on shore, or else I'm screwed if I do that again. Look at this twat over here. What is he doing? He's got a big ass though. Holy, did he just fart? Alright, whatever. He's making a ruckus back there. What the hell's going on? Holy shit. It's all yellow now though. Oh my god. He's polluting. No wonder the water's all dusty and shit. He's polluting the air. What a selfish twat. Instead of leaving outside, he does it in the water where everybody can smell it and see it. What a fiend. See, that's something Reginald would do. Reginald, what a prat. Alright, the more I explore, the more like scary it gets. Jeez. It's like a forest underwater. I don't like this one damn bit. What did I just hear? Something trying to bite my ass? Oh, what is that creature? What is that creature? I saw it. It was like long. It looks like a shark. This ocean is getting weird. Hopefully it doesn't follow me.
Oxygen.
Ah, great. There's more of them. Look at that. There's Sarah, Sophie, and Gerald. Ooh, don't tell me it's getting night. Alright, I'm just collecting a lot of shit. I'm hoping we can make machine guns, a fucking ray gun to kill the beasts that are in the deep dark. Oh, what the fuck? There's 4 of them, and he's ripping ass. He's farting on top of each other. What? I mean, this is a weird place, dude. There's a whole family of farting bastards. I bet Gerald's the father. He needs to raise them kids well. He never does, though. I made a lot of stuff. I'm doing a good job, honestly. I'm proud of myself. Time to get some shit. Huh? What the hell's that sound? Oh, what the fuck? Hey, stay back. Did he just blew up? What the fuck? Okay. Oh, what's this? Oh, shit. So whatever that creature was, it just blew up. It's a suicide bomber. Jesus Christ. Oh, shit. There's another one. No. No. Am I dead? I died. What the fuck? Fucking Roger, what the fuck was that? He's a suicide bomber trying to kill me. Screw you, Roger. I don't think I lost anything, but I'm just gonna go and collect stuff. What a bastard. This is one weird planet. We got creatures that fart, creatures that kill themselves to scare off other prey. Oh. What in the absolute shit? Bro, I don't, like, over there, that is like my worst nightmare. Being in the water and not being able to see what's in the deep, dark depths. Jeez. Oh, what is that? Is it a whale? That thing looked like something out of, The Mist. Oh, there's resources. It's from the ship. I think somebody better have packed a machine gun, because I need something like that real bad. A sea glide. I can make a sea glide. Let's go. Is there anything else? Anything I can use? Whoa, chill! Reginald, what the fuck? Come on. Why does he fart? Why does he fart? Come on. Is that how he says hello? He says hello by letting her rip? Come on, dude. Steve! Steve, are you out there? Say nothing if you are. I'm sure he's fine.